lower your voice. It means walang mag-ingay. Okay po? Increase your attention means be attentive. Okay? Be attentive to the lesson that we will be discussing today. Okay? Huwag na munang makipagchikahan sa katabi. Be attentive, maging attentive muna kayo sa akin because today, you will learn something. Okay? So third, search your goal. What are your goals upon entering here in our school? Ano yung goal nyo ng why you are here in USI? To learn. Again, to learn. Okay? So the fourth one is your mind. So if you have questions, clarifications regarding our topic, just kindly raise your hand, okay, and i-acknowledge natin. Okay po, clear? Okay. So, engage in class, okay, be participative. Participate in class because when you participate, you learn. Okay, understood? Yes. And then, never interrupt, okay? So, if for instance, there are students that almost may sumasagot na estudyante or nagsasalita si sir. So, never interrupt. Okay, kung mag-ano naman, just kindly raise your hand pagkatapos magsalita. Either yung classmate mo or yung sir. Okay po? And then, nakikita nyo yung whistle. Okay, once na narinig nyo yung whistle, it means that you are not paying attention. It means you are too noisy. Okay? So, what will you do is, okay, i-minimize your voice and then be participative again or engage in class. Am I clear? Yeah. Okay po? Yeah. Clear. So, yan. Again, kindly keep your phones again. Kung may mga phones and other materials that are not needed in today's discussion. Gusto ko lang makita sa desk nyo, yung sarili nyo, or pen, paper, or lapis. Yun lang. Okay. Ready na ba? Are you ready, class? Yes. Okay, so before we proceed, how was your whole week? Good. Mabuti ba? Sino yung sumali sa yung nag-alay lakad? Okay, so how was your experience doing that? Mapagalo siya, di ba? Pero worth it siya kasi parang nagsasacrifice tayo kagaya ni Jesus, di ba? And then, sino yung umalis dito ng ibang lugar? Nag-skiing. Nag-swimming. O, diba? Yan. So, did you have fun? Really have you holiday? So, some are not, some enjoyed their holiday. Okay? So, with that, let's proceed to the activity that I prepared. Okay? So, this activity, this is just a simple activity, okay? All you have to do is to guess what the picture is all about. Okay po? So the first picture that we presented, what do you think or do you have any idea what the picture is all about? Ano kaya siya? What comes into your mind? Is it some kind of opera, a dance, or something like that? Okay. Who wants to answer? Class number 7. Miss Coronado. Yes. What did you say about the picture being presented? A cultural dance. Okay, right. Miss Coronado said that it is a cultural dance. Good. Can you guess what country this cultural dance? Okay. Sige, ikaw, Mr. Saan lugar kaya siya originated? Sa tingin mo, there's no wrong or correct answer. Indonesia? Indonesia. Ay, permanent. Indonesia, sabi mo. Okay. Good answer. No, Indonesia. So, any other hand? Yes. Thailand. Okay. Okay. So, okay, good answer. So, the first picture, tama yung, your answers are all correct. Okay. Okay? It is a cultural dance, and it is ang good answer pa rin, it originated in Thailand. Okay? So this dance is Manora. Okay po, Manora dance. But we will not discuss it further. Okay? Maaalala din lang natin what kind of dance is this, and then where that play is dance originated. Okay po, so good. So how about this one? What can you say about this teacher being presented? Who wants to volunteer or you want me to call someone? Call someone, okay, sa ano tayo sa lalaki, number 11, Soriano. Yes, po, Mr. Soriano. Ay, CR, sige. Okay, Mr. Lumistro. How about you, Mr. Lumistro? What can you say about the teacher being shown? Being presented? Ano kaya siya? Horror movie? Kung ano siya horror movie? Yung ano nila, yung costumes nila. Okay po, good answer, di ba? It has something to do with costumes, di ba? Their costumes are made of or composed of. Magagarbo talaga yung costumes nila. Okay, other answer? Who wants to volunteer? O kaya, where do you think this dance, okay, originated? In what country kaya in Asia? O sige, in what, in Asia, Asia. Miss Velasco. Where are you, Miss Velasco? Can you stand? Okay po. What can you say about the teacher? There's no wrong or correct answer po. Okay po. Yes po. Yes po. Any, what comes into your mind? Ano yung idea mo? Oh? Yes po. Ano po siya? Or in what country kaya? India daw po. Okay, so Miss Velasco said that his dance originated in India. Okay, good guess. Who wants to answer? Sa Cambodia daw. Miss Velasco said that it came from India. Sa'yo, Miss Cambodia. How about the others? Sige, ikaw. Malaysia daw. Sige, Miss. Indonesia. Okay po. So this dance, it originated in Indonesia. Okay, particularly Margapati. Okay, yung gumaganyan-ganyan lang yung ulo niya, di ba? It seems simple yung steps, but mahirap siya. Okay po, yung gumaganyan-ganyan, nakikita niyo na yun sa TikTok or ano, sa Facebook, di ba? Sa Reels, di ba? Amazing siya tingnan, di ba? Nakakatakot siya, pero part yun ang culture.
Sir, nakapiling siya sa akin, sir.
Diba? Sabi nga ni Mr. na parang horror daw eh. Okay po? So, this one. Sige. What can you say about the teacher? Malaysia. Nasa Asia lang tayo. Cambodia daw. Nasa Cambodia siya. Okay, Cambodia. Okay. So this one, this dance called Aspara. Okay, Aspara dance from Cambodia. Okay po. And then yung last. Ano kaya siya? China. Okay, ano one? China. Diba? And Chinese dance specifically. Okay po. So these are dances from Asia. Okay, these are Asian dances. Okay, so what do you think? What do they have in common? So these four dances, what do they have in common? Ano kaya yung pagkakapare-pareho nila? Yes, please. Yes, these dances are all cultural dances. Okay po. Aside from cultural dances, ano yung natin sa kasuotan nila? What are ano? Ano yung
Colorful.
Colorful, and then wait. Yes. Di ba? Parang, hindi lang naman yung basta-basta sinuot. Each of these costumes, it symbolizes something. Just like us, kumari sa atin, yung festivals natin. Di ba? From Mascara Festival, hindi lang siya mascara. It has deep meaning that rooted yung mga history natin. Okay po, same with that. So, do you have an idea what topic we will be discussing today? Yes po. Yes po. Okay, so about Asian dance now. So, any other hand? Do you have any idea? Ano kaya yung magiging topic natin today? Yes, sir. Tumaas ka po ng kamay. Sino pa? How about sa ba? Sa likod, sir? Ano kaya? Okay. So, yan. Today, we will be discussing about Chinese fan dance. Okay po? And of course, yung Chinese fan dance, pasali siya sa Asian dance. Okay po? And with that, these are our learning outcomes. Okay? Everyone, please read po at the end.
At the end of the lesson, I can be able to identify Chinese fan dance, explain the importance of learning the Chinese fan dance and its history, demonstrate the dance steps of Chinese fan dance.
Okay, so in today's discussion, di ba, later, you will be able to identify. Okay, you will be able to identify the Chinese fan dance. You will be able to explain the importance, okay, of learning the Chinese fan dance and its history. And of course, you will be able to demonstrate, okay, the dance steps of Chinese fan dance. So later, you will demonstrate, or we will demonstrate the steps of Chinese fan dance. Let's see if Chinese fan dance really is fun. Okay? So with that, Asian dance. Okay? So, everyone, please read.
Asian dance refers to the diverse and rich dance traditions found across the many countries and cultures in Asia. It includes a variety of styles, each with its own unique movements, music, and meanings. Asian dance is an important part of the cultural expression and history of different Asian countries.
Okay, good. So, sabi dyan, Asian dance refers to the diverse. When we say diverse, ibig sabihin, pag-diverse, ibig sabihin napakalawang pa. Like, kunwari sa Asia nga, sa Asia, di ba, there are lots of dances in Asia. Diverse siya. Okay? And each dances, hindi lang siya dinadance. Parang hindi lang siya, ay, magdadance lang tayo dito ng ano, parang madali lang naman. Okay? All dances, di ba, meron siyang history, meron siyang meaning, and yun nga, sa history natin. Okay? And aside from that, it includes a variety of styles, di ba? As you have seen on the pictures being presented a while ago, di ba? Those 4 pictures, or those 4 dances, di ba? Though they have at least a different, a little similarity in terms of costumes, di ba? But in terms of dances, the steps, di ba? Different sila. Kaya nga sinabi din, it includes a variety of style, which means variety, ibig sabihin, marami. O, di ba? O iba-iba. Okay po? And then, each with its own unique movements, di ba? As what I have said, it has a unique own movements. The music, di ba? Parang pag narinig natin yung music from Indonesia, masasabi natin, oh, mas iba yung sa Philippines. Masasabi natin, iba sa Thailand, iba sa Amerika, iba sa ganito. Kasi nga, di ba, each dances has its own unique music and meanings, di ba? Yung paggalaw ng kamay, maaaring sa atin napakasimple, but it has meaning. Meron siyang meaning, di ba? Each movement, especially sa cultural dances, meron siyang meaning. Diba? Kaya nga, may mga schools that offers na parang Especially, nung pumunta kami ng Thailand, di ba, Ma'am Rachel ko, na sa kanila, nakafocus talaga sila na pag ganitong araw, talagang dance lang sila ganito sa kamay, pinagpapractice nila yan. Okay po? So, yan. Asian dance is an important part of the cultural expression. Why do you think so? Bakit kaya siya importante? Why do you think Asian dance is an important part of the cultural expression and history of different Asian countries? Why do you think so? Oh, may ko na lang po ito. What do you think so? Why do you think so? Ano kaya? Asian dance is an important part of cultural expression. Ano kaya ang ibig sabihin nun? Diba? Diba? Right? Narinig niyo yung balita, yung news about other countries offering Filipino courses o yung Filipino subject, diba? Inaaral yung what do you call this? Hinigling natin. Oh, cultural expression na yun. Di ba? That, because of this dance, di ba? Because of this hinigling, parang it does not just represent us Filipinos, but as a whole, yung country natin, na masasabi talaga ng ibang bansa or ng ibang what do you call this? Tao or ibang race na Philippines really is a diverse country, which is that also rich in culture, di ba? Not just in culture, hindi lang sa natin, di ba? Sa places natin, yung mga beaches, yung mga tourist spot, but also with our culture natin in terms of cultural dances, di ba? Okay, so am I clear? Do you have questions? May natutulong. So, ano nga yung pag narinig niyo yung whistle? Ibig sabihin, not paying attention or too noisy. Okay, so kindly stand muna, stand. Everyone, stand. Okay po. Iwag-iway niyo yung kamay. Okay, sige, opo. Okay. I know na okay, opo na po. I know na napakahirap labanan yung antok, especially sa ganitong oras. Okay? So, understand na po. So, yeah. So, do you have questions regarding Asian dance? None. Okay po, so let's proceed with Chinese fun dance. Okay, so everyone, please read. In 3, 2, 1, go.
It's a traditional form of dance that uses a fan as a prop to create beautiful and graceful movements. It is a popular style in Chinese culture, often performed in celebrations, festivals, and special events.
Okay, so Mr. Volante. Okay po. So, sa tingin mo, ano kaya yung similar na traditions or dances dito sa Philippines na may compare natin sa Chinese fun dance?
Tinikling.
Yung tinikling.
Kasi like Chinese fun dance, since ginagamit ito sa celebrations and festivals, parang tinikling din po ginagawa sa mga festivals, celebrations.
Okay, good. So, yung tinikling, sige po, may tanong po. Tayo po. So, sa since you mentioned tinikling, so, in your own understanding, what are the equipments or materials that needed in doing tinikling? Ano ba yung mga equipments?
Bamboo or
Bamboo and then? Tama, bamboo. And then? How about the costumes? Ano kaya yung suit nila?
parang
Parang-
niya na.
Good. Diba? Okay, please be seated. Thank you for your answer. So, any other hand? Ano pa kaya? Diba? It was stated that often performed in celebrations, festivals, and special events. Hindi tayo lalayo dito sa Bicol. Ano yung festival na ginagawa natin that is being celebrated not just by thousands of people but millions? Peña Franchise Festival, di ba? Especially the Boyadores, di ba? Voyadores? What can you say about the Voyadores dance? Okay, they wear the colorful clothes, yung costumes. How about, ano kaya yung ano yung, parang, bakit sila nagdadance ng gano'n? Para saan? Para lang ba mag-perform? Ano kaya may deep meaning pa ba yung Voyadores? Parang ina, very good. Di ba? Ako sa tingin ng iba, especially hindi taga Bicol, na parang, ay, Voyadores Festival lang yan. Pero hindi sa atin sa Bicol, yung mga Bicolanos. Di ba? Kasi Voyadores, parang, it serves as parang, glorify natin na hindi si Ina. Okay? Natigaan ng si Ina. Di ba? Hindi lang siya simpleng dance. Inaano natin niya, kung ini si Ina, ini ang sa buyang, yung contest na parang parang inaano natin sila yung contest hindi naman worship kasi ano yan, parang gano'n, parang sort of, di ba? So yan, so yung Chinese band dance, di ba? Traditional form of dance. From itself, traditional means talagang luma na. Kahit kung sabi nga nito sa Tagalog na napakaluma na, okay po, or traditional na. Ito is a traditional form of dance that uses a fan. Diba? Uses a fan. Diba? Sa Chinese fan dance, this fan may seem ordinary, but not to them. Okay? This fan symbolizes something. This fan, okay, symbolizes deep meaning and history. Okay? It may seem ordinary to us, but not for Chinese. Okay po. Di ba masabi, ay, pamay-pay lang naman to eh. No. In Chinese dance, no. Okay po. So, yan. As a craft to create beautiful and graceful movements. Graceful. Di ba? Magaling yung ganyan. Di ba? Kung baga, tinatawag natin siya as sa sa Pilipinas, yung sa Pilipinas. Yung sa Pilipinas na. What do you call that? Yung very, I forgot the term. So, let's proceed with the history. Okay? So, first, the origins of fan dance are rooted in the Han Dynasty. Okay? We know that during that dynasty, we know that during those times, di ba, especially thousand years ago, we know that China, yung China is a powerful country, conquering other territories, especially in Han dynasties. Di ba? Nagigets nyo na. Parang noong panahon, di ba, since hindi pa naman ganito paano ng pag-water, di ba? They are conquering other territories. Di ba? Kaya nga may mga bansa dati na napakalawak ng territories. Kagaya natin, sa Spain, di ba? Ngayon ang Spain, napakaliit na lang. But before, di ba, ang dami niyang nasakop, especially us, Philippines. Di ba? We were colonized almost 333 years. Di ba? Yun. Sa dynasty yun. And during that time in Han Dynasty, okay, Chinese fan dance was created. Okay po. And, yeah. Short history lang, hindi natin siya i-ano masyado. Okay po. And it is categorized in two ways, the civilian and then the military. Okay po. So, do you have any idea what are the difference between the military and then the civilian? From the word military, from the word civilian. Ano kaya, kahit isa lang, yung pinagkaiba nila, Mr. Suwaiti. Kasi, kapatid mo sila. Sige. What do you think? What is or are the difference? Give at least one or two of the civilian and military. Sa sarili mo, in your own. In terms of crops, why it said that in civilian, they uses props, while military, they uses no props. Okay? Yan. As what is stated, diba, military uses no props. Okay? Ang suot lang nila is yung pang-military. Nai-imagine nyo yung suot nila, pang-military. And then, yan. As it uses coordinated movements and weaponry to demonstrate uniformity and authority. Yung pinagkaiba niya sa civilian, yung civilian is very equal and graceful. Resembling ballet, di ba alam naman natin ang ballet, napaka-graceful, di ba? Parang pag nanood ka ng ballet, parang mapapasabay ka sa flow nila. Ganyan yung civilian. Graceful ang civilian, while yung military, they uses parang strong sila eh. Parang they uses martial arts. They integrate martial arts through the dance. While yung civilian, yan ay yung ipapractice natin today, or gagawin natin today, na very graceful, ganyan-ganyan, ganyan-ganyan. Yan yung pinagkaiba, di ba? Understood? Do you understand?
Yes.
Again, do you understand?
Yes.
Again, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so, buhay pa naman lahat. So, yan. So, what do you think is the purpose of Chinese Panther? Ano kaya yung purpose niya? At least one student lang. Sige po. Ano yung purpose niya? Means magpantay. Means magpantay. What is the purpose of Chinese Panther? Ano kaya? In your ano lang? In your own understanding?
They want to holiday and then they come
Okay, so good, di ba? Di ba? Sabi niya yung isang purpose is to convey message and then to show their culture. Di ba? Which is good. That is one, yan yung isang purpose ng dance, ng Chinese fan dance. Ano pa kaya? Meron pa mag-answer? Meron pa magsasagot? Yes, sir.
Pag ang military is for the Chinese standards, parang kasi show ng authority or like parang hindi ba show na parang hindi na lang sila. Or civilian naman, parang to entertain lang.
For entertainment. Okay, good observation, good answer. Di ba? Di ba? As I have said, di ba? When you listen, you learn. Di ba? Okay? So, he answered that in military daw, they uses a strong parang authority. They uses authority. Di ba? Parang hindi pa siya na parang gato. Kasi during that time, again, ulit-ulit tayo, during that time, we know that how powerful China is. Di ba? Na parang gusto nilang sinasakop. Di ba? So, sinabi mo doon sa civilian na parang for entertainment. Okay? So, let's see. Here. To express beauty, grace, and cultural storytelling through movement. So, the answers are correct. Mr. and Miss answers are correct. Okay po? To express beauty, grace, and cultural storytelling through movement. Di ba? Parang kahit ganyan lang, or parang pag-ano lang ng pamaypay, di ba? Pero na siyang story. Yung pag-dance natin, kahit simpleng steps, meron siyang story na ino-convey. Na mapasabi tayo na, ganito pala yun. Diba? May meaning para lahat. May meaning para yung pagganyan ng pamaypay. Diba? Yung pagganyan ng pamaypay, may meaning siya. So, yeah, cultural storytelling through movement. Diba? It uses fans as props to enhance the dancer's gestures and create elegant flowing emotions. Diba? Hindi lang ito ginagamit kasi pag naiinitan. Diba? Ginagamit ko ngayon, diba? Pag iniinitan. Sa kanila, they uses props to enhance yung pagiging graceful. Diba? Parang ganyan-ganyan. Diba? So, they uses props to enhance dancers' gestures and elegant. Diba? Sabi nga ni sister, diba? Yung mga isabili daw, very elegant. Diba? Naniniwala kayo? Yes! Diba? Esabilitas are very elegant sila. And yan, of course, the dance is often performed to celebrate festivals. So, tama yung sinabi niya for entertainment naman talaga. Celebrate festivals, honor traditions, specific physically and convey emotions or themes such as nature, love, or peace. Okay? So, hindi lang siya simpleng ganito. Hinahaluan din siya ng martial art. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Diba? Parang artistic siya, diba? So, yan. Showcasing Chinese heritage and performing arts. Similar to our dances and diba yung traditional dances natin, Pilipili, yung may banga, diba? Ganyan may banga. Diba? Hindi na siya simpleng steps, pero for the heritage and then yung sa traditional ng bansa natin. Diba? So, do you still have questions or medyo nalilito or medyo may katanungan or do you have questions, clarifications regarding the purpose of Chinese fan dance, the history, and then yung Chinese fan dance? Do you have questions? Do you understand?
Yes.
Again, do you understand?
Yes.
Parang ganyan yung students are. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so today, we will watch a video. Okay, this is Chinese fan dance. Okay, kindly, para tingnan nyo na mabuti. Okay, try to analyze the steps. Okay, I will ask questions regarding this video. Kindly move your chairs to the side. Sige po. Dealers pala. Kindly sit po dito sa floor.
Sige na, move pass.
Okay? So, yung mga common dance terms again. So, try to remember that we have common dance terms, okay? Yung bow, yung pag-bow, yung folded arms, yung T, and then yung reverse T position. Okay po? So, yung apat lang naman. Okay, so let's start with shuffling steps. Okay, yung shuffling steps, I will demonstrate first, then after I demonstrate, you will do that. Okay? So yung ganito. Nakaganto yung kamay. Okay? Left, yan. And then, dalawang count lang siya, okay? 1, small steps lang. 1, 2, to the right. Okay, huwag kayo mag-mirror sa akin, okay? 1, 2, right. Tapos balik, and then 1, 2, left. And then 1, 2, right. And then 1, 2, left. Okay. Again, do you understand? Yung shuffling steps. Okay? So, sino yung naka-gets ng shuffling steps? Okay. So, sino yung naka-gets ng shuffling steps? Okay. So, get mo na yung shuffling steps. Okay, so kalitan. Just do it. Okay po. Hindi na muna. I-count natin siya. Okay? So, lahat ng participate. Meron na kung patasok na okay, sabay-sabay. Okay. So, pwede doon kayo harap. Doon sa may... Sige, in 3, parang ako. 1, 2, right. Okay, 1, 2, right. 1, 2, left. Bali apat, pinig dalawa. Right and then left. Okay, in 3. Okay, sabay sa ko in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, right. And 1, 2, left. And 1, 2, right. And 1, 2, left. Okay. Yes naman. Later, mag-prepare po kayo yan. Okay, so makinig kayo. So, next step is yung bending knees. Okay, 2 times. Okay? So, nakaganyan kayo. And then, mag-forward kayo. 1 nakabend. 1, dito down. Okay? Diba yung first nakuha niyo na? Yung second, tingnan niyo ako ha. 1, tapos pa, and then pa, ang babaw. After niyo mag-half, tapos pa, apat yan. Tapos next, backward, pa. Okay, understood? Okay, this time. Okay, in 3, in 3, 2, in 3. Sunod na start, hanggang hindi nakataas, hindi nakatayo. In 3, 2, 1, go. Half, back, and then half, counting steps. Napakaliit siya per step. So, in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, apat siya sa front, paunahan, front, and then backward, apat siya. Okay? So at least, alam niyo yung idea. Okay, later, i-perform niyo yan. Okay ba? So next, yan. Diba? O, sige, sit down para makita nyo ang lahat. Para makita nyo. Okay, good. Diba? Ino. The first one, yung foot, yung right foot to the front, left side, and then 1, 2. Yung ikot, okay, always remember yung ikot, clockwise. Ibig sabihin ng clockwise, galaw ng relo. Okay, paganto. Okay, so, una ka dito. Dito. Una ka dito ka. Okay, tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palito ako. Paray. Okay po? So, hanggang sa makaikot ka, yun lang naman yung steps. Okay po? So, tingnan natin. Tayo. Bilisan lang natin ang game. Okay? Ready? Are you ready? Okay. So, the first one, first, right foot to the front. Okay, to the front. Okay, to the front, to the side, and then move clockwise. Good. Then left foot to the front, left. To the side, and then turn clockwise. Good. And then right, to the front, to the side. Okay, clockwise. And then left foot to the front, to the side, and then clockwise. Yung steps. Okay. So after that, sige, upo naman. Para makita nyo, ito, diba? May health benefits siya. We're not just dancing, diba? Meron siyang health benefits. In terms and physical activities. Okay? Tama. Diba? Yung next natin, okay? Yung kamay na kataas. Ganito siya. Okay? So yung always right. 1, yung right foot going to the right, close, and then pagbaba, yung kamay nakaganito. Okay po. From ganito, nakaganito. Tapos balik sa taas, left foot, sara, baba. Apat yan na ulit. Nagigets? Nagigets? Okay, so lahat. Tayo ulit. Papagulit ko kayo. Diba? Diba? Chinese wonders, really fun dance. Talagang nakaka-fun. Yes, ulit. Okay, 3, 2, 1, taas. Right foot to the side. Sa side, close. Close. Close yung paa. And then, baba. Lahat tayo magpapagod ngayon. Okay? Tandaan may mata ako sa likod. Nakikita ko kayo. Okay? Sige, left foot to the side. To the side. Close. And then baba yung kamay. O, sige. Ginala kayo na. Hindi. Opo, kamay. Ganyan lang. Ayun, hindi lang yung bow. Para siya nagbabaw. Diba ganito? Okay. Sige na, sabay-sabay. In 3. Una mo na yung right. In 3, 2, 1, go. Right, close, bow, and then taas, left foot, close, bow, ulit isa pa, Close. Good. Sige. Upo ulit. Upo. Sit. Diba? You are having fun. Diba? You learn. Diba? And you learn at the same time. Okay? So, okay yan? Yan. So, during your fun, imagine na lang na may fun kayo. Okay? So, hugot ng fun. Pag ganyan, gaganito dito. Okay? And then, tingin sa right. Right side muna, ganyan. 1, 2, tapos 3, and then 4, and then parang 1, 2, 3, tapos dito sa unahan, and then mag-init. Tapos same pattern. 1, okay? 1, tapos 2, 3, and 4, and then 1, 2, 3, tapos 4. Okay. So everyone, kayo ulit. Diba? Kung may fun, naging dapat siya para magbuhot mo. Okay. So imagine, okay. Okay? In 3, kunwari maghuhugot kayo dito sa may left. Kunwari may fun kayo sa left. In 3, 2, 1, hugot. Tapos tingin dito sa may right. Okay, 1 to the front, 2, and then 1, and 2. And then after that, 1, 2, and then 3. Tapos unahan, and then, look. Part yan ang process, di ba? Learning is okay, pag may sugat, huwag mangyari. Okay? Sa likod, nakikita ko kayo. May mata ko dyan sa may locker. Nakikita ko kayo. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Hugot ng pamaypay. Tingin sa right. Right kayo pala. Okay? Right. And then front. And then left. And then front. And then parang 1. And then 2. And then 3. And then 4. And then so, try nyo to, diba? Everyone, tingnan niyo yung nasa dito. Okay? Try to look, diba? Para tingnan niyo kung paano na ginagawa. How it is being done. Chinese fun is very fun, di ba? Am I right? Di ba ang Chinese fun? Pag Chinese fun is very fun. Di ba? From the word itself, napaka-fun niya. So, yun. Okay. So, tingnan niyo na ako, everyone. Okay. So, yung ginagawa nila, naka-point ulit. Okay? Ipo-point dito sa my right. 1. Balik, and then taas, and then close. Tapos right, left, balik, tapos taas, tapos ganyan. Ganun lang. Understood?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, po.
Yung boys at the back. Parang holy week pa kayo dyan. Sabihin ko tapos na yung holy week, yung sa likod, hindi pa. Nag-guess nyo? Sige, later makikita natin siya. Sige. Ayun. Sabi nyo yan, Chinese fun, that is fun. So, ikaw, Kita ko kayo sa likod. May mata ako dyan nakatago. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, sabay-sabay. Point to the right. Right. Okay. Dito sa ano? Yan. Okay. Tignan natin. Right. To the right. Okay. Balik. Balik. And then taas yung right. Ganyan. Okay. Next. To the left. Point to the left. Foot. Balik. And then taas. And balik. Sige nga kayo nga. In 3. In 3, 2, 1, go! Point. Balik. Taas. Okay. To the left. Point. Balik. Taas. Okay. Last 2. To the right. Point. Taas yung kamay. Taas yung paa. Okay. Last sa left. Point. And then taas. And then yan. So, okay, this is them. From clockwise to counterclockwise. One, escape, bow, bow. What's your first step? Like that. Tapos. Okay. So with that, kaya hindi mo muna sa ano, ang unahin ko is boys. Kasi may activity pa tayo sa next meeting. So may okay. So from class 1 to 10, from Aranyes to Rocco. Tingnan mo, yung first, ano ba na kayo? Lahat na lang ng boys. Lahat ng boys. So, 5, 5, 4. Or 4, 5, 5. Okay. Dapat kayo mag-form tayo ng parang 5, 5, saka 4. Kasi magpapapalala yan. Bilis na po kasi may remember, class participation pa rin po to. Okay po, so na kayo. Pwede may magkita pa rin po iba. Hindi dito ka. Okay, sige. Malikot kayo. Okay, sasabayan niyo. Okay po. Okay, listen. Okay. Ready or not? Pa kayo doon. So, fast pa. Sabay nito. Sabay nito. Nalimutan pa kayo. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Try to apply the steps being taught to you. Okay po? Kahit napakasimple lang. Go. Girls, prepare kasi for me nito. Position. Ready? 1, 2, right. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, sige. Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Sige na. 1, 2. 1, 2. Sige na. Diretso. Wow. 1, 2, wow. Wow. 1, 2, and 1. Ikot. Wow. 1.
Yay! Alis na ako.
Okay, good.
Nag-exit ka lang.
Diba? You're having fun and at the same time you are learn. Okay po. So sa So from 1 to 15. 1 Participation is Pwede na po, bilis na po. So 1 to 15 na po. Class 1 to 15. Okay, good. Okay? Remember class, this is part of your class participation. So if you cannot participate, again, listen everyone, this is part of your class participation. If you do not participate, then wala kang class participation. Okay po? So, ready? Sige lang, practice lang ako, hindi po graded. Okay po? 2, 3, go. 1, 2, right. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, right. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, right. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, right. Up. Back. Sige lang, focus lang. Go. Kindly sit, dito na sa floor. Sige na, everyone. Sige na po, dito na po. Lahat. Boys and girls. Grade 7 here. Kindly sit. Diba? Nasa classroom po. Diba? Listen kayo na halagay doon. Okay? So are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? Hindi ko narinig. Are you ready to listen? Okay. So, how was your experience dancing? Chinese banda? Diba? Sige, from boys, ikaw, from boys, how was your experience? Mahirap ba siya? Ano yung na-feel mo? Or ano yung na-realize mo pag doing that siya? Again, everyone, pag may magsasalitang classmate, ano yung gagamitin? Yung ear or yung mouth? Ear. Perfect. Okay, so, sir.
Simple lang po siya, pero very unique because of their traditional dances or steps po dahil po sa kanilang cultural dance. Tapos po, meron po siya mahirap, pero po, mahirap lang po ka lang sa dahil po.
Good. Diba? Good answer from Mr. Diba? Sinabi niya na, let's give them he said that simple lang siya, diba? Yeah, diba? And it's true. It is very simple. Diba? And sabi niya, nagiging mahirap na siya pag hindi mo siya, pag hindi mo parang, pag hindi ka lang focus, which is true. Diba? Napakasimple lang naman. 1, 2, left. Diba? Okay, so how about from girls? How was your experience? Diba? What, ano yung na-realize mo? I realized that ganito when I dance this traditional dance from China. Ano pa? Miss Lavanes. Lavanes. Sige na po. Sige na po. Wait. Ano lang yung experience mo? How was your experience? Okay, so, papaya. Miss Papaya. Tama po. Sige na po. How was your experience? How was your experience? Sige, si Miss Villanueva. Okay, sige. Everyone listen to your classmate. So, have you tried other dances pa? Nakapag-try ka na mag-dance ng ibang dance? Hindi ba? Like, modern dance, pop dance, hindi pa? Okay. So, with that answer, parang majority, masasabi ko na, yung parang naging fun talaga siya, di ba? Yung fun dance from F-A-N, lagi siyang F-U-N. It is really a fun dance, especially if you participate. You are being too loud again. Diba? How many times do I tell you that if someone speaks in front, all you have to do is to listen. Then you will speak if you're being told. People. So, in that simple gesture, you show respect na din sa in front. To the person. So, diba sa core values natin, we have respect, simplicity, service, and excellence. Do you think we can associate this Chinese standards to the core values we have in USI? Sige po. Who said yes? Okay, you mean. Ano kayo doon sa core values? In what, anong yung aspect sa core values? Yung pwede natin makulit. Okay, in what way does respect okay po, wait, taas na po. In what way, or paano mo siya mapapakita na you show respect?
Parang susundin mo talaga mga rules sa dance. Kasi traditional na po. Ibig sabihin, may mga yung sinaunang sa China, may mga rules at mga dapat na i-obey natin. Kaya sa mga rules.
Okay, that's third. Okay, how about the others? Is ay sa Mr. Tal, Osman. Sige po. Ay, sige. The same question with me is that how can we connect yung core values natin to Chinese customs? Alin kaya dyan? Sabi niya, she answered that respect can be connected to Chinese customs. Diba? Sabi niya, just by dancing it, we are showing respect to the dance. So, do you have still another answer? In what way kaya are we going to show simplicity? In what way? Ano ba yung magiging simple? Paano siya magiging simple? Ano yung na-realize mo upon doing the Chinese customs? Paano yung naging simple?
Pwede rin po movement sa mga ibang countries parang doon sa Chinese. Pwede rin po kaya yung ibang
Okay, good answer. Diba? Sige po. Ano ba? Sino ba? You want to add something to his answer? Tama na yung sinabi niya. You want to add something parang nag-aating si Miss. Ikaw po, Miss. Parang nag-aating ka na ako. I will add something, information. Okay, sige. Ikaw naman na, Miss. Sige po, sige. May Chinese design. Everyone, again, someone will answer. Kindly listen po. Tingnan grade pa kaya? Ano pa yung other grade? Like, ano yung napansin mo upon doing the dance? Diba? Ano yun? Paano yung simplicity? Paano mo siya makukunik? Ano yung paano pwede ma-connect natin? Okay, show it interest. Sige, good answer. Sige. May narinig ako. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Sino yung ikaw? Para ikaw yan. Sige po. Okay, so all your answers are correct. Di ba? Sinabi niya na ganito, yung sinabi niya, lahat yung tama. Okay po? Lahat yung tama. Now, we can show simplicity in terms of, we know that the Chinese canvas is, simple. It has a simple steps. Di ba? Yung costumes din, napaka-simple. Di ba? And yung sa core values naman natin na, di ba? According to St. Vincent de Paul na parang inaanin na tayo na parang maging simple lang tayo. Diba? Maging simple, in a way na nakakatulong tayo. Kasi yun ang purpose ni St. Vincent de Paul, diba? Sabi niya na, magtulong tayo sa mga mahihira, diba? In that way, we can connect core values through the Chinese standards. Okay po? So, with that, yung activity na to for the next meeting. Okay po, so the class will be divided into 5 groups. Each group will create a simple 1 to 2 minutes din dance using the movements. Okay? So kindly, meron akong binigay na rubric. Rubric is simple rubric siya, di ba? Try to remember the ikot, the third. 1 to 3 sentences. Okay po. 1 to 3 sentences. Okay? You will, i-collect mo, limit your time. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this question. Okay po? As a student, do you think it is important to learn Chinese functions? Importante kaya siya? Bilang student pa lang naman tayo. Ayun. Sige, I'll give you 5 minutes. Essay text, 1 to 3 sentences. Okay po? Or 1 to 5 sentences. Bahala na kayo. Okay po, sige po. I'll just give you 5 minutes to finish it. Okay? So time check is already 3:15. Okay, that's not fun anymore. Yeah. So lahat na may papel. Sige. Okay. Okay. Answer mo na siya. Do you think it's important? Okay, it's fun lang. Importante kaya siyang matutunan. So, Mister, are you done answering? Are you sure? At least 3 sentences or kung ayaw 5, it depends on your answer. Are you done? Okay, so are you done? Sino yung tapos na? Okay, so kindly pass it forward. So the other, you still have 1 minute to answer. Make sure na may pangalan nyo ha. Almost everyone are finished. So who are still answering? Okay, so only one student. Okay, so ay dalawa. So before we end, who wants to summarize what we discussed today, or at least what you have learned today? Parang I learned today, ganyan. Who wants to volunteer to summarize the lesson or the topic that we discussed today? Just a simple summarize. Who wants to answer? Sino yung gusto mag-summarize or ano yung matutunan mo today in today's discussion? Sige na, only 1 or 2 students? I guess only 1 student na lang. O, sige. Try to summarize the discussion that we tackled today. Okay, Mr. Okay, wait lang. Everyone listen. I-summarize po ko yung discuss natin. Yung na ano mo na, na-ready.
Sa doon ko na matutunan.
Okay, so kung ano lang binigyan din ng gagawin?
What I learned today is what are the steps of Chinese parang dance and what is the origin of it.
Thank you everyone. Thank you sir. So, meron pang magsasagot? So, what's to summarize? Okay, so, okay, yes, please. So, this way dancing, di ba? Parang may papakita na to, we shows our culture and traditions, di ba? Thank you, Nick. So, today, we discuss an Asian dance, specifically Chinese fan dance. We also learn its history. We know its purpose, di ba? And also we learn the different steps in Chinese fan dance. Okay po? So, next meeting, kindly wear your PE uniform. Okay po? PE uniform, wala yung ano kung lahat naka-PE uniform. Okay po? With that, Bidel, kahit dyan ka na lang Bidel, closing prayer. Kindly stand everyone. Closing prayer na po tayo, okay? In the name of the Father, Holy Spirit, Amen. Son of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Thank you everyone.